10,000-foot skies. I'd navigate the lies, never fear demise, nor be timid of the rule. How can I grow wise if never I'm a fool? And home is in my heart. So why do I get lost in the crowd, trying to be proud? Oh, I must be quiet